Ever found yourself staring at a travel card, wondering, beyond just swapping currencies, what else can this little piece of plastic do for me? You've got that YouTrip card, sleek, promising convenience, but the question lingers, is it just for holidays, or is there more to it? We've all been there, right? That moment of realizing a tool's potential goes way beyond its initial promise. Let's break it down. YouTrip, at its core, simplifies multi-currency transactions, eliminating those pesky bank fees when you're abroad. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Think of it as your digital wallet, evolving with your lifestyle, whether you're a globetrotter or a homebody. First off, yes, travel. Obvious, I know, but let's look at the nuance. You're landing in Tokyo, craving that first bowl of ramen. YouTrip allows you to pay in Japanese yen, directly, at competitive exchange rates. No more scrambling for cash or worrying about hidden fees. It's not just about paying, it's about paying smart. Similarly, that spontaneous weekend trip to Bali? Your YouTrip card handles Indonesian rupiah seamlessly. But what about when you're back home? That's where things get interesting. Online shopping becomes a breeze. You know those deals on international sites, the ones that often come with exorbitant conversion fees? YouTrip cuts through that, letting you pay in the site's native currency. Imagine buying that limited edition gadget from a US store, paying in USD, without the usual bank markups. It's like unlocking a new level of global e-commerce. Then there's everyday spending. Think of it as your backup debit card, especially useful for budget tracking. You can load it with a specific amount, giving you control over your spending. It's perfect for those who want to stick to a weekly budget or those who simply prefer to keep their travel funds separate from their main bank account. And let's not forget the digital nomads and freelancers. YouTrip becomes an essential tool for managing international payments. Receiving funds from clients abroad? YouTrip can often be integrated with platforms that facilitate these transfers, offering a more efficient way to handle your finances. You're not just saving money, you're streamlining your financial life. Beyond transactions, YouTrip often comes with perks. Think cashback on certain purchases or discounts at partnered merchants. It's not just a card, it's a gateway to a whole ecosystem of savings. Check your app regularly, because these deals pop up, and they're worth catching. Security is paramount, too. YouTrip often features enhanced security measures, like instant transaction notifications and the ability to freeze your card with a tap in the app. This adds a layer of peace of mind, whether you're navigating a bustling market in Marrakesh or simply buying groceries at your local supermarket. It's about versatility, about having a financial tool that adapts to your needs, whether you're chasing sunsets in Santorini or simply ordering takeout from your favorite international restaurant. YouTrip isn't just a travel card, it's a financial companion for a globally connected lifestyle. It's about more than just currency exchange, it's about financial empowerment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.